we will not deny the governor her right to be heard.
Wakere rucini na gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ekinyia mbunge-ini ya Senate aumagaritio ni mawakiri yake atatu aria maratongorio ni Manasseh Mwangi gutetera gavana uyu kuma magego-ini ma MC ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru aria merumite kinino nginya Mwangaza ainukio.
Honorable Chair and Senators,
mbunge ya Meru ihandite na mawakiri mugwanja magitongorio ni muthomithia Nkolu na itanya ria guthinikania Mwangaza hamwe na wira wake wa gwitetera.
I want to request that we rise.
Mbunge ya kaunti irenda kamite ya maseneta 11 magitongorio ni seneta wa Kakamega Boni Halwale gwikira mukonde kuhamurithio gwa Kawira ni mbunge iyo.
There were 67 out of 69 members in the assembly and all of them voted to impeach the governor. The score was 67-0.
Kawira athomeirwo thitango ithano iria areganite nacio ciothe kuringana na mbunge ya kaunti manyitite Kawira na mahitia 62 thutha wa guthomerwo thitango ciothe makiuga kuretwo akiagarara gatiba rita rimwe o muthenya kuma riria oire utongoria wa Meru thiku 64 thiru. Gatagati ka thitango ici ni kwandika andu a nyumba yake wira hamwe na muthuri wake Murega Vaisho guconorithia atongoria athure kaunti-ini iyo kuingira mbunge kia hinya aumagaritio ni kirindi kwagarara mawatho ma uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi hamwe na kunyarara watho wa kwamura ma minister a county.
Honorable Governor, do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Kawira anyururitie kuhamurithio gwake akiuga aranyamario tondu ni mutumia acagurirwo na tigiti wa mundu kiumbe na ndari na ma MC ya kumutetera mbunge-ini iyo.
Unfortunately, the governor faces impeachment just like the first woman member of parliament in Meru, Ngabana Kawira Mwangaza, and this is a woman who was out of office on trumped-up charges. We are back at it again, and we urge the Senate to look at the issues before it and find that indeed the governor has committed no wrong.
And the question we ask and the Senate, if that is true, why did all the 23 female members of the assembly vote to impeach her?
MC wa mbunge ya ithũĩro uria watemanirie ndereti ya kuhagura Mwangaza niwe uma wa mbere gutemania wira wake akiruta mikwa ya video 18 kuonania uria Mwangaza akoretwo akiheana mawira ma kaunti gutare kihariro kunyururia atongoria aria angi na kwaga gutea wabici ya governor.
I'm the mover of the motion. I'm the one who is complaining on their behalf, and I've been given that right by the Constitution of Kenya to complain on their behalf, and I have evidence to accompany my complaint.
The members of public have not approved the proceedings before you. It is the County Assembly of Meru and the mover of this motion that usurped the role of the public and purported to give views on behalf of the public.
Maseneta maigiririe miena yeri ratiri-ini wa muira matuite itua riao.
Let the witness spend his time, adducing evidence. But opinion, it just ends there. Opinion will not affect us. It will not direct us. We know where to get opinion from authorities.
You know, the council has alluded that in the Bible they had to sacrifice somebody by throwing him into the sea, and that person had to be swallowed by the fish, and he went to another city to give good news. So, and that is Jonah. So probably if we give the governor, maybe he has the news. So we better listen to that side before we make other comments.
Who is supposed to carry out public participation, legally speaking, on any matter that is being executed by the county assembly?
Muthenya wa rucio gavana Mwangaza niwe ugakorwo agitemania wira wake gwitetera mbere ya kamiti ino ya Senate iria iregereirwo kurikia cikaro ciake muthenya wa Jumaa. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma mbunge-ini ya Senate, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.